Scott Holbrook, Secure Sling and Strap. Today I want to show you our lineup of gloves. We'll have a couple more videos to do each one of those. In this video I want to talk about our maximum protection glove. We call it the MAXPRO, and this is an amazing glove. You saw in the intro that it does have cut protection. This is a real razor. This is giving us real protection. This is a cut level 5 surface, which means there's not a lot that's going to get through that. If you look really closely as well, another feature that this glove has on the palm is this pattern of hexagons, which is actually slip resistant. And so whenever you are in the field, you are pulling out pipes, oftentimes things get muddy, gunky, oily, slippery, you can't get a grip. This hexagon pattern will certainly help you with that. The other thing about the pad or the palm is that it is oil resistant and it is water resistant. What that means is that if you put your hand in a bathtub, it might get wet, but if you're doing your job as you ought to be done, there's not going to be any problems with your hands getting wet, stained, or anything like that. If you come over, you're going to notice something here that you don't notice in many other gloves on the market. We actually reinforce the saddle in between the index finger and the thumb. Anyone that's used gloves for any length of time, for any real sort of use, knows that this is the first place that things get torn. They also know that this is the place where you often have blisters, where it rubs your skin. This saddle here protects against both of those things, but yet you don't lose any flexibility. When you go to the other side of the glove, you're going to notice this impact resistance. Now, what's different about our MAXPRO glove impact resistance is that if you look really closely, you'll see that we actually sew on the impact resistance part, which is different than the rest of the market, as a lot of times those are just glued on, which means they're likely to fall off at the first sign of any sort of trouble. Ours are stitched in, they're not coming off. And then finally, you can see that the pattern, the slits, make it such that you have that maximum flexibility with your hand, even though you've got that impact resistance. And so this is the MAXPRO glove, cut level 5, impact resistance, reinforcement, specialized grip. It's an amazing glove for construction, for oil field, energy, gas, farm work, pretty much anything that's going to hurt your hand or that has sharp objects involved. This is definitely the glove that you want. You can learn more about this on securesling.com. You can scroll down the front page, you'll see it there. You can look on the left on the menu, go to the safety glove option, and then you'll see videos, specs, pictures, and more.